What is natural AI? Natural AI, also called bio-inspired AI, is all about copying how nature solves problems. Instead of writing code from scratch, scientists study how animals behave and turn those patterns into algorithms. It's efficient, adaptable, and surprisingly powerful. Ants and the shortest path. Let's start with ants. When they find food, they leave scent trails. Other ants follow the stronger scent, automatically forming the shortest and best path. Now imagine this idea running in delivery apps like Amazon or Food Panda. It's called ant colony optimization, and it's being used right now to reduce fuel costs and delivery time. Bee swarms and decision making. Bees don't have a boss, but they make great group decisions. When they search for a new hive, each scout bee explores and reports back. They vote through their dance, and the best spot wins. This inspired swarm intelligence, used in AI for drones, rescue missions, and smart traffic lights, all working without a central command. Real-world use cases. These nature-inspired algorithms are everywhere. Logistics companies use ant logic to deliver faster. Drones use bee-style teamwork for search and rescue. Traffic systems reduce jams using swarm strategies. Nature isn't just beautiful, it's brilliant. So the next time you see ants or bees, remember, they're nature's engineers. If you want more mind-blowing science like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment. Let's learn from the wild.